Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best RB2132 Polarized is probably one of the most iconic sunglasses ever made, and for good reason. They offer a classic look that suits almost any face shape, and the polarized lenses provide excellent protection from the sun's glare. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and why they're a must-have for anyone who values both style and eye protection. Number 5. Ray-Ban RB2132 New Wayfarer Mirrored Sunglasses. These sunglasses are a modern take on a classic design. They offer a sleek, square shape and a comfortable fit, perfect for everyday wear. The mirrored lenses not only add a stylish touch but also reduce glare. They provide excellent protection from the sun's harmful rays, ensuring clear vision. Crafted with high-quality materials, these sunglasses are built to last. The lightweight frame ensures all-day comfort, whether you're on the go or relaxing outdoors. Protect your eyes with these sunglasses' superior UV protection. They shield your eyes from the sun's harmful rays, making them ideal for any outdoor activity. These sunglasses represent Ray-Ban's commitment to quality and style. They are a timeless accessory that will elevate your look. What we like. These sunglasses feature mirrored lenses, offering a sleek look and enhanced glare reduction. The square shape adds a modern touch to the classic Wayfarer design. If you're looking for a bold statement piece that combines fashion and function, you should consider these. What people say. The polarized lenses are great. The sunglasses are very stylish. They are very comfortable to wear. Number 4. RB2132 New Wayfarer Polarized Replacement Lenses. These lenses are designed for both men and women. They offer superior clarity and protection from the sun's glare. The polarized technology significantly reduces glare. It improves visual comfort and reduces eye strain, making them perfect for outdoor activities. These replacement lenses maintain the iconic Wayfarer style. They are built to last, ensuring you can enjoy clear vision for years to come. This bundle includes a comprehensive accessory kit. It provides everything you need to maintain and care for your eyewear. Whether you're hitting the beach or just enjoying a sunny day, these lenses are a must-have. They combine style, protection, and comfort. What we like. This product comes with polarized replacement lenses, providing superior clarity and reduced eye strain. The included accessory kit adds extra value. If you spend a lot of time outdoors and need optimal vision, this is the one for you. What people say. The polarized lenses are great and cut out the glare. The sunglasses are very stylish and fit well. The quality of the sunglasses is excellent. Number 3. Ray-Ban RB2132 New Wayfarer Gradient Sunglasses. These sunglasses feature the iconic Wayfarer design, a timeless style that has been popular for decades. It's a look that's both fashionable and effortlessly cool, suitable for any occasion. The gradient lenses offer a stylish look while providing excellent protection from the sun. The gradient effect allows for a clear view while reducing glare, making them perfect for outdoor activities. The square frame shape adds a modern touch to the classic Wayfarer design. This shape is flattering on many face shapes and provides a bold, confident look. Made with high-quality materials, these sunglasses are built to last. They are also designed for comfort, ensuring a pleasant wearing experience throughout the day. As a Ray-Ban product, you can expect superior quality and craftsmanship. These sunglasses are a testament to Ray-Ban's commitment to style and performance. What we like. These sunglasses feature gradient lenses, offering a stylish transition of color and reduced glare. The classic Wayfarer design ensures timeless appeal. If you like a subtle yet fashionable look, it's a great choice. What people say. The polarized lenses are great. The sunglasses are very stylish and fit well. They are very comfortable to wear. Number 2. Ray-Ban RB2132 New Wayfarer Gradient Sunglasses. These sunglasses feature the iconic Wayfarer design, a timeless style that has been popular for decades. It's a look that effortlessly blends fashion and function, making it a perfect accessory for any occasion. The gradient lenses offer a stylish look while providing excellent protection from the sun. The lenses transition from a darker shade at the top to a lighter shade at the bottom, offering versatile vision in various lighting conditions. The square shape of the frames adds a modern twist to the classic Wayfarer design. This shape is flattering for many face shapes, adding a touch of sophistication to the overall look. Made with high-quality materials, these sunglasses are built to last. They are also designed for comfort, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for all-day wear. As a Ray-Ban product, it represents quality and style. The brand is known for its superior craftsmanship and iconic designs, making this a must-have accessory. What we like. These sunglasses feature gradient lenses, offering a stylish transition of color and reduced glare. The classic Wayfarer design ensures timeless appeal. If you like a subtle yet fashionable look, it's a great choice. What people say. The polarized lenses are great. The sunglasses are very stylish. They are very comfortable to wear. Number 1. Ray-Ban RB2132 New Wayfarer 55mm Sunglasses. Introducing the Ray-Ban RB2132 New Wayfarer Sunglasses. These iconic shades are a timeless classic, perfect for any occasion. They offer a stylish look and superior protection. The 55mm lens size provides a comfortable fit for most face shapes. The square shape adds a touch of modern flair to the classic Wayfarer design. These sunglasses are designed to make you look good. These sunglasses are designed for both men and women. The versatile design makes it easy to pair with any outfit. It's a perfect accessory for anyone looking to elevate their style. This bundle includes an accessory eyewear kit. It comes with everything you need to keep your sunglasses clean and protected. Get yours today and experience the difference. Ray-Ban is a trusted brand known for quality and style. These sunglasses are a testament to their commitment to excellence. You can't go wrong with this choice. What we like. This product features a square shape, offering a modern twist on the Wayfarer style. The included accessory kit adds convenience. If you want a complete package with a contemporary design, then it's perfect for you. What people say. The polarized lenses are great. The sunglasses are very comfortable. The quality of the sunglasses is excellent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.